Have you ever looked down while riding an escalator and noticed that the steps resemble giant metal cheese graters? They're covered in deep, parallel grooves, often called teeth, running from the front of the step all the way to the back. Most of us never give it a second thought as we glide effortlessly toward the mall food court or a subway train. But those metal teeth are not just there for a rugged aesthetic, and they certainly are not just for extra shoe grip on a rainy day. They are actually a brilliant piece of safety engineering designed to solve a terrifying mechanical problem. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we are stepping into the hidden world of everyday engineering to answer, why exactly do escalator steps have teeth? To understand why these teeth exist, we have to travel back to the late 19th century. One of the first successful working escalators, originally called an inclined elevator, was introduced by inventor Jesse Reno in 1896 as a novelty ride at Coney Island. Shortly after, Charles Seeberger partnered with the Otis Elevator Company to create the first commercial escalator with actual flat steps. But these early step designs had a glaring, dangerous flaw. Their steps were made of smooth wooden planks. As those flat, smooth steps reached the top or bottom landing and disappeared into the floor, they created a tight, moving gap. Without a proper transition, loose clothing, shoelaces, and even fingers or toes could become trapped where the moving steps met the landing. Serious pinching accidents forced engineers to find a safer way to separate passengers from the moving mechanism below. The solution they developed was a masterpiece of simple engineering, the grooved step and the stationary comb plate. If you look closely at the landing where you step on or off an escalator, you will see a stationary metal plate with comb-like teeth. This is called the comb plate. The parallel grooves on the moving steps perfectly interlock with the teeth of this stationary comb. Instead of the step simply sliding under a flat floor, which creates that dangerous trap we just talked about, the teeth mesh together. As the step slides beneath the landing, the comb helps guide shoes, luggage wheels, and small debris smoothly off the moving step. These interlocking teeth keep the gap extremely small, greatly reducing the risk of clothing or footwear becoming trapped. But the safety features do not stop at the top and bottom landings. Have you noticed that the vertical part of the step, known as the riser, also has teeth? These mesh perfectly with the back of the step directly below it. As the escalator transitions from a flat surface into a staircase, the steps rise and slide against one another. If these vertical faces were completely smooth, the gap between them could catch the back of soft rubber shoes or long pants. The interlocking vertical teeth keep the gap extremely small as they move, helping prevent shoes and clothing from becoming trapped. Beyond helping prevent serious accidents, these deep grooves serve a secondary, highly practical purpose. They act as a built-in drainage system. When hundreds of people track in heavy rain, melting snow, or someone spills a coffee, the grooves help collect and channel away water and small debris, leaving the raised ridges with better contact for your shoes, helping maintain traction and keeping your footing secure. So, the next time you ride an escalator, take a moment to look down and appreciate those metal grooves. They are an innovation that has been protecting riders for well over a century, quietly helping keep you safe from the heavy machinery moving just inches below your feet. If you enjoyed this journey into everyday engineering, please hit the like button, share this video with a curious friend, and subscribe to Simple Things Surprising Histories for more hidden stories. See you next time.